To access the case object for setting up email to case, we quickly go over the service app from the app launcher, and here we have our case object easily accessible from the service cloud. This is our recent case, but to set up email to case, we have to go to the setting icon and then service setup. From the service setup, we are going to find email to case from the quick find, and then it renders this page, so we continue. The email to case settings page has just been opened up, and then we edit and check the necessary boxes. So it's just a simple read through. I'm going to check the boxes of what options I feel that we need. So this notifies email to owner, and then we must enable HTML. Being in the IT industry for long, I need to tell you that you need to check this box as sent attachment for reference purposes. We are not going through the send email from cases yet, so we are just going to save these settings. These particular settings won't actually send email or create cases from your email directly, except you are going to set up a routing address. So we click on new and give the routing a name, and then enter the email we want to be the email that routes the cases to Salesforce. Here, I'm going to, if you want to create a task from the email and assign to probably the owner of the case, you can here, and then the case owner is redirected to me because I am the only user for now in this org. Now, we need to verify this email. So I'm going to go over to my email and go over the verification email I have gotten. This is an automated email. Click on it and it redirects me to a page where I will just verify the email address. Simple, breezy. So when you have verified this, you refresh and check if the verify is still verified or verified. Now, the email has been verified. So let's set up the forwarding address on our email. Now, we go over to our email. I'm just refreshing the case object to see if there is any notification here, but not yet. So we go over to our email, copy this service address, go to the setting of your email. I'm using Outlook, and then go to forwarding and IMA pin, enter the service address and save. Very simple. When you save, you can change the option of keep a copy in your email, and then I'm going to send a test email from a different email that serves as a client email or a partner email to the forwarding email, to the email that I have used as a regular email that creates or redirects a case and email to Salesforce as a case. The subject of this email is test, and then I'm going to describe it as testing so that it will be very unique when I'm checking if it is properly routed. The email has been sent, so I'm going to refresh this page to see if the email is going to come here first. It came right to the inbox, and then we are going to go over to Salesforce to see if this case has been created. Just going to refresh the page and wait for. Can take up to a minute to come. Voila, we have the case here. Automatically generated case number, and we have the status as new. The case owner is myself because I chose myself as a case owner from the routing settings. The case origin is email. The forward web email is my personal email, and then the subject is the test from the email, and the description is the testing. This is all you need to set up your email to case.